very excited to receive this package in the post this morning. It's from Madaher, I think is the name of the brand. I don't know, this is not like sponsored by them or anything like that. I've never bought from them before. Let me tell you, in the summer I saw a really nice pattern. It just appeared on my Instagram feed. I think it was the Chelsea Flower Show. That was the name. And it was amazing. And I clicked through and I looked at the kit. And it was a lovely, lovely kit. And then it recently came into my feed again that they had a sale on. And I went through and had a look at the sale. And they had some great stuff. So let's open this package. So once I saw the one in the summer, I started following them on Instagram and just keeping up with everything they were doing. And it just seems like a really nice company, really nice patterns. And as soon as I saw that there was a sale on, I was like, I have to have a look. Madaher, finding creativity in the everyday. Thank you. We hope you love creating with these embroidery panels. See our Instagram and YouTube for videos and images to help you. Oh, so that's nice. A handwritten note makes you think that they are a small personal kind of company in Yorkshire. So my sister lives in Yorkshire. It's very nice. So let me show you this one, I think it was. And there were some kits in the sale, but what I found was they were selling the panels, just the printed fabric. And as I do have my own stash, this makes it so much more affordable because I can use my own colours. So here it is. This is the one I saw. And as you can see, it's not just a normal pattern. They've actually printed the fabric with a picture as well. So what you're actually doing is just highlighting the beautiful print with embroidery. And of course you can add in bits where they've printed if you like, but obviously they've left big bits blank for you to colour in. And I saw the finished piece and I just thought, wow, that is so dramatic, so cheerful. Love the flowers, that I desperately wanted to have a go. So that is the Chelsea Flower Show. I'm definitely going to be doing that first, I think. They have included suggested colours, not just the DMC, but also an idea of what that actual colour is. So you've got sort of a lilac, dark green, light green, orange. So I can try and match some of those with what I've got, but also you can just do your own thing. They've also done suggested stitches, French knot, chain stitch. What else we've got? Look at the back at the images to get a clear idea of the colour placement centre. Okay, so that's really lovely. Autumn Glory, so actually maybe I should actually do this one next. Slightly bigger and lovely autumnal colours. I'm not a fan of autumn, but I do love the autumn colours that are coming out. And if we have a look at the panel suggestions, yeah, we've got really nice autumny colours to try and use. And as it's only a small amount of DMC for each area, I might treat myself to some DMC. We will see. But that's a lovely piece as well. I just love the combination of the printed background with the embroidery. I think it's something I'd like to try, but I'm not too confident in my painting skills, so we'll have to see. But I think this is going to be a really good way into that kind of concept. This one, let's see what this one is called. Ooh, I'm not sure this one has a name. Let's open it up. Beatrice. Okay. I think I was attracted to this one because of the dark background. I often, well, almost all the time, I just use a light background. It is easier to see stitches, that is one benefit, but I do love the dark colour of this picture and others as well that I've seen. It's very dramatic. Let's have a look. What does it say? With love. So this is a bit of a look at how this one might turn out. Bold and beautiful. This is another summery one, and I perhaps shouldn't have got this extra one. This is really perhaps repeating a little bit of the others that you've already seen. But this is definitely going to keep me busy through winter. Here we go, got a little bee. So on the last one there was a butterfly, so there's added little details. Oh, another bee there that we actually sewed. Bold and beautiful. And this one reminds me of spring. When you look at the picture you think, wow, that does look really complex and complicated, but actually a lot of it is printed on the background and you can just focus on certain areas and still get a lovely effect. And then there is one more that I want to show you. This one, and it looks quite big. Didn't really check on the sizes too much. I might need a square frame for this, which I don't actually have. I mean, you don't need a square frame. You can move your circular frame around. But I have wanted a square frame for a while, so this might be a good excuse. Maybe next year, or maybe on my Christmas list. So this is the finished design. And that is a negative space, so the blank space that you don't embroider on or isn't printed with colour spells a word, or it can be a shape or something like a heart. This says thankful. I think this was the only one they had, but I just thought, yeah, this is a nice idea. As a helpful reminder, write down 10 things you can be thankful for. That's kind of sweet. And the little thank you card. Ooh, okay, I'm going to look at that workshop card in a minute. It's really nice to work on things that aren't circular all the time. This is going to make a lovely panel. I'm not sure how I will frame it, but I think this is lovely, and we do all have things to be thankful for. So that is just a nice reminder, a very pretty reminder. And this just caught my eye. Let's have a look. Workshops. As you can see, they've got just some really lovely designs. Don't live anywhere near there, unfortunately, so I probably won't be doing that anytime soon, but that, I love that picture there. Something to think about. So that was my summer purchase, my summer treat to myself to get me through the winter. Some lovely bright colourful patterns, and I'm really looking forward to starting them. Check out their website, they may still have a sale on.